So, welcome everyone. We are all on time. So, today's session is about making impossible possible, session 5. And let me see if I can ask you to start video. You can start your video. Let us see that. Yes. So, today's session is making impossible possible. But before that, if you can share what is the thing you are accomplishing, क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ? Goel sir, your experience of uh, whatever is happening with you in last 4 to 5 weeks.
I, I'm enjoying. That's all I can say.
Very
Getting
good.
into the depth of the subject. See,
Mm-hmm.
when something is challenged, no,
Mm-hmm.
or something is questioned, it helps to uh, go into the further details, which normally people won't go. And I'm the person generally who don't want to go out of the area, my room of comfort. We should remain there only. But when I'm asked to come out, then it brings definitely a lot of fruits.
Very good. Thanks for sharing, sir. And that is what we discussed earlier also. That what are the 7 transformations to make impossible possible? And in that, the fourth transformation was related to completing the past, and three transformation was about creating the new future and accomplishing that. Now, how to come out from the past? Rather, constraints of past. The constraints of past are like the complaints that we develop. The constraints of past are our winning formulas, which we developed during our childhood, 5th year, 10th year, 15th year. So during that time, what we develop as our winning formula that stops us from coming out from our past constraints. And because of that, we are not able to create a big future. So the future that is in front of us, to make that happen, we need to complete those past. So once we identify, okay, these complaints are gripping me, these winning formulas are gripping me, then we can say, okay, please leave me. They will leave us. The moment you will identify, oh, there is a thief, you can save yourself. But if you don't identify, then your things are stolen. So these complaints and winning formula, the moment you complete with them, you identify them, you are out of those constraints. Once you are out of those constraints, your actions become very powerful. Everything that we do creates huge result. So the life becomes
No,
effortless. Yes, sir.
no, 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Yes.
You are told three points. No, but 2 points I could understand is past pains or complaints and winning formula.
Right.
What is the third one?
No, these are the only two things, but winning formula is of three
Okay, okay,
kind. One,
okay,
one that you get in 5th year, 10th year, 15th year, approximately.
okay.
Those childhood event, then we develop that winning formula. That is how we live our life based on that.
Hmm.
That creates our personality. You know, we say his personality is very good, or his personality is not that good, or we can say that creates our ego, that creates our identity. You know, when we say, when identity is there, possibility is not there. So these identity, if it is gripping us strongly, that person will not be finding the possibility. He is all the time into that ego, in that game being played by those three winning formula. He is never in his in what you rightly say is soul consciousness. When you say body consciousness and soul consciousness, that is what that identity. Body consciousness is the identity, the three winning formula. When it is gripping, you are in body consciousness. The moment it leaves you, you are in soul consciousness. So when person does the meditation, at that, during those moments, these three winning formula loses the grip. Those complaints loses the grip. The moment those things are loses the grip, that person gets into the possibility, gets into the soul consciousness, or you can say that he is near to his soul and supreme soul. So, so on a spiritual term, the moment you find out those winning formula, it becomes that you don't have to go every time into meditation. Every moment that you are in, you are getting that advantage of nearer to the God, connected to the God, because that identity, you are identifying moment to moment, you are out of it. Right. So once these constraints are clear, the past are clear with the fourth transformation, then fifth is playing the game. Sixth, playing the game is whatever is the design of the game. So suppose my game is Mission Developed India, educational transformation, economic transformation of India and planet. So it's a big enough goal. Now inside of that, how I can accomplish that? Goal is okay. A big goal is more made. Now how to convert that goal, the possibility, into reality? Suppose somebody has developed the possibility of being one with God. So that is the possibility कि मैं God के मैं supreme soul से connect रहूं. That's the possibility. Now how to convert that into reality? So reality comes by unreasonable request and bold promises. Not reasonable request. For example, if I have told you find out where the soul heart resides, where the soul resides in body, and that is a quite unreasonable request, not a reasonable request. Or even if it is a reasonable request for me because of our relation, suppose you are asking to the president of Yogda Satsang, sir, please guide us. It's unreasonable because according to you, reasonable is why to bother him? Or, okay, first let me find from my side. And so these are the reasonable way of functioning. And there is unreasonable, okay, I need to find out tonight itself, can I ask for support? So that there is a clarity. And not only clarity for myself, suppose it brings the clarity among the thousands of the devotees and sadhaks. And if something happens there, imagine the power that's there in that organization from now onwards. We don't know. So one unreasonable request and a bold promise, that said, we can really rock the world if we really find out this thing, because there is something I'm finding. I'm saying one example, may not be this, something else. But then the whole world and planet can be transformed. So what we need is unreasonable request and bold promises. For anything, somebody is say in business, somebody is, for example, somebody has some money to take from her brother. Now, there is again, this is the possibility that, okay, I also get my share. I am a daughter of the my father. Now, and I need, because I need support. Okay. So making the unreasonable request to the brother, this is what you can support me. And the bold promises that I am making a promise that I will not waste this. You can trust me. And but the past will stop. No, no, no. I have made the request. He has not adhered to my suggestion. May not be he will adhere to this time. He will say no, etc. What is, where from it is coming? From past. In a spiritual field, when we ask some uncomfortable question to our mentors, that past is, oh, he will say, what are you talking? It's coming from past. Let me. So it's unreasonable request. Reasons will stop us. We have to be unreasonable. So how we can ask unreasonable request? When we ask the same from us. So for example, if some of us has not checked their HRS score. So, okay, how to be unreasonable? Let me check my HRS score. Or say somebody has not gone through the book. Okay, let me just memorize the chapter. Okay. Or somebody has not done the question. You know, every session there is a question. It sometimes happens, so nobody is there to ask the question. So why to do that? Unreasonable is, okay, let me go through the question. What is this asking? Okay, from now onwards, let me do it. These are the unreasonable questions we ask to ourselves, and we do it. The moment we become unreasonable with us, we have the power to ask unreasonable requests from others. Yeah, fruit is not in our hand. We may not get result then and there, and we may get the result then and there. So the moment we are not bound by past and we are open for future, clean blank future where anything is possible, a new world is available to us. The present becomes very powerful because present is given by the future that we live. So if future is bright, the present will be bright. Then in this session, the question is also related to 7 steps to increase your self-worth. Self-worth is very important. If our self-worth is not there, we will never feel abundant. We will always feel in a scarcity. And which is very much we can see around. Most of people around us, you will find whatever and how much they are always in a scarcity. नहीं अभी बहुत ये है वो है कैसे होगा क्या होगा, so much worried all the time. Now if we increase our self-worth, we will always be abundant because we know that we are ourselves a born winner. That's why our title of the book is Born Winner. You are a born winner, जन्मजात विजेता. आपको कुछ प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है अपना सेल्फ वर्थ लाने के लिए. आप सेल्फ वर्थ हैं, थे और रहेंगे. हम हैं, थे और रहेंगे. Now how to bring it? Now there is a lot of damage to our self worth that has happened in our upbringing, in our education. How to bring back that? Yes, there is a method. There are 7 steps to it, which is given in the website tsbindia.in, where the course is there. Some of that can be is being creative. If we are creative, we'll say, we will find out the way self-worth goes up. Similarly, bringing feminine energy among male energy, or sensitive, being sensitive. And if you are female, then bringing man energy in you. It's already there is inside us, man energy and female energy. This is called yin and yang. Both energy is there. Now, how to balance? The more balanced your energy is, you are sensitive as well as strong, then your self-worth goes up. Similarly, exercise and meditation, very important. Do exercise and then meditation. Similarly, positive verbal affirmation. All the time talk positive. Verbal affirmation. Yes, this is possible. This is possible. Why not you do this? Why will this is a great thing. So, your positive verbal affirmation inside your head and outside also. So these things increases the self-worth. Now, for the business people, there is one question, 4 factors of merchandising. If you want to sell something, what are the 4 factors that's there? For example, first is indifferent attitude. If you are very much after somebody, you will not get result. Bringing sense of urgency, fear of loss. If somebody will find that you are always going to be there, this offer is always going to be there, they will not value your product or services or offerings. They'll say, अरे ये तो ऐसा ही है, कभी भी हमेशा रहेगा ना, जब जो चीज छूट रहा है वो ले लेते हैं. Then your product, service and offerings will not be valued. And greed factor. Certainly everybody has some greed. Somebody has something. So anybody who is into sales and marketing, they should focus on that, okay, how to address that concern. Somebody is asking, अच्छा भाई थोड़ा सा भिंडी हमारा थोड़ा सस्ता कर दो. Many of the small businessmen, that hawkers do that. अच्छा सब हम genuine rate लगाते हैं और आप खुश होते हैं. भले ही उसका बहुत फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, लेकिन खुश होते नहीं, ये genuine rate लगाता है, ये ठीक है. जबकि वो 5 ही रुपए का फर्क है, लेकिन वो थोड़ा यदि ठीक से लगाता है, आपके ग्रीड को सेटिस्फाई करता है, क्वालिटी भी है और पैसा भी ठीक है, उसका दुकान में लोग ज्यादा जाते हैं. सिंपल ये फैक्टर है जिसको लोग कोई भी ध्यान में रखे तो अच्छा वो बिजनेसमैन हो सकता है, बिजनेस का काम कर सकता है. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट शुड बी द डेली रूटीन ऑफ ए पर्सन. एक बिजनेसमैन का, एक स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन का, एक नॉर्मल हाउसवाइफ का क्या डेली रूटीन हो. इसको जो व्यक्ति जितना अच्छा प्लान कर पाता है वो उतना अच्छा अपना हर एक मिनट का फायदा उठा पाता है. यदि कोई प्लान ही नहीं रखता है तो समय यूं ही बर्बाद हो जाता है. लास्ट टाइम में महाजन सर ने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन किया था कि भाई मैं ठीक से प्लान नहीं कर पाता, समय चला जाता है ऐसे करके. तो उनको हम लोगों ने बात किया था लास्ट टाइम में दैट पहले सर गोल एक सेट कर लीजिए, ये मेरे को करना है, और उसको प्रायोरिटी में डाल दीजिए. एक बड़े ऑथर हुए हैं ब्रायन ट्रेसी, उन्होंने एक किताब लिखा ईट दैट फ्रॉग. सबसे डिफिकल्ट काम जो है उसको सबसे पहले निपटा डालो, so that you are accomplishing. Mostly what happens that जो डिफिकल्ट काम है we keep it for last. अरे इसको देखते हैं, करते हैं, देखते हैं, करते हैं, देखते हैं, करते हैं. Let us do it. That way the priority things, the uncomfortable things, because transformation is hidden there. So anybody in our life who pushes us towards that, he is actually to be thanked. That okay, he is pushing me in the uncomfortable zone because transformation is there. Because our winning formula is not allowing me to go there. Those circumstances, those situations, those people have allowed me to go there. Then in this, we have to make a project plan. So in the video also that is given that how to make the project plan. So whatever is our goal, for example, for me, for the mission, suppose I'm appointing for my company some town partners and state partners or national partners. So my target is that in 3 months, at least 9 such partners are available so that we can start supporting them in transforming Chhattisgarh, MP and Maharashtra. 3 each state. Minimum that so many people should be started working as a partner. Now, I can divide this into 3 months. First month, second month, third month. So third month, I am saying 9. So on second month, 6, 2 each in the state, average, and then 1 each in the state. So that way, what is happening is all the three states are started moving. Similarly, I have the goal of 4 books to be written. 2 are already written. Marathi translation is already ready. It has to be given to the publisher. Similarly, this business book that I am planning to write, which also will include some Gita Gyan. So that is my target, is that it should be ready by the first month, like 26th October. And by November, my target is that it should be out, like published, so that we have the 1 month leverage. So these are some of the things, plus other things that is there, but these are the two focused projects. So, so this is the way project we should plan. That what is my 3 months, 2 months, 1 month plan? How much I will accomplish in 3 months minimum. Then more you are getting, more you are creating, no problem. So this is a little bit about the session that you are going to have. The videos have been given, and the questions are given. Do that. Any questions are coming there, please ask. I will be supporting. Share all these things, because on 10th October, we can invite more and more people on the session. Another breakthrough that I have got is I was thinking of, this, uh, how to have the platform so that more and more people can join that. And I was not getting the idea how to do it, because even 2-3 people we were not able to talk. So but while entering into this, I got that, okay, these are the reason, these are the possibilities you can find out. So my plan is that in the first month itself, like by 26th October, ideally 10th October itself, by the close of the day, close of the program, I should have the facility so that more and more people can comfortably come and join. So these are little bit, that is the things going on. I Before the start of the program, I almost gave up on writing any book, but now it looks like, oh, how easy it is. Similarly, before the start of the program, I didn't plan for appointing town partner and state partners. That was in the, any time when the things will come, but suddenly it has come in. So, like, so much openings happens when you are in the space of making impossible possible. So as we always say in the transformation, maximum thing we don't know. So whenever we get the message, work on it, because somewhere subconsciously over the years we are already working on that, but somewhere we have put it aside on the back burner. But now situation has come because you are continuously working on that. So these are some of the things will start happening with you during the program. Pick up those things and start working on that, so that we can use very well this time and cause transformation on self, on family, on India and planet, and even universe. So this is all I wanted to say. Any question, please? Open for question. Yes, sir. Well, sir, you can go ahead. Any question or anything you want to share, any feedback you want to give, any improvement you want to suggest?
No. I think I'm just entering. Because my mind is not exactly still focused on all these things. I just entered now into this, so let me just observe whatever is going on, and definitely if I find something, I'll share with you. So
Correct. So the one of the another important thing that I want to share is take the feedback on your project. Your face is not visible, sir. Can you just little bit camera? You can do it. So uh, taking the feedback is also the part of this session. Is that take the feedback from the people, your near and dear ones. So between now and the Wednesday, the session is there. Take the feedback from at least 5 people that, and really request them. I say that, this is for my own improvement. I want to learn and grow. So I will be really thankful if you can give me some feedback on the project that I'm working, and that may, and you can say that what are the good things you see in me, what are the improvement you want in me. You may not accept it, you may not agree with those feedback, but uh, give the space to them, listen to them, write down to them, and ask your coach, hey, this is something very awkward feedback that I got. I think I don't agree, but this is so important. A person who closely observes, maybe my uh, children or wife or somebody who knows me well. So can you guide me? So take the support of coach or mentor. So these 5 people feedback is very important part of our growth and learning. So use this opportunity and share that in the next program or in between also. Also, my unreasonable request to you, Goel sir and Harvinder, if you are listening, and to everyone, that go to hrscore.in and do the self-appraisal. It's just 30 criteria, just 10 minutes. Give yourself mark. And if there is any problem or anything, you can just ask me. I'm there to support uh, immediately, such that you know what is your integrity level, what is your team building level, what is your leadership level, so that all these three are helping us to grow, so that it is very much pointed out, with this rating, that okay, whether identity is very gripping you, because if identity is gripping you well, your leadership score will be less. uh, Similarly, if you are having very disempowering context or meaning, then integrity score will be less. Similarly, if you are having a lot of complaints from the past, then your team building score will be less. So these are some of the things, dynamics, and mm, behind the score. So a coach or mentor can suggest you so that you can guide others also. So these are little bit things that I wanted to share. I'm available for another uh, 2 minutes if you want to ask anything or say anything. Harvinder, if you can, you are unable to uh, listen or something, type something if you have any question, so that I can even type the chat and answer you. Sir, uh, have you asked the this question to your some senior in Yogada Satsang?
Which one? This location of the
Heart in the body, like this after quoting that, where it is, after quoting that slok, if you can ask somebody.
Yeah, I'm just thinking. Still, I have not been able to make up my mind because I'm quite convinced where it is, and so since I'm convinced, I'm visualizing it, I'm experiencing it. So I'm not very comfortable in asking the questions for which I'm confident. So,
What you
but
can
still,
do
I'll
is,
definitely.
you can say that, you know, this is one person has asked, and he's saying that it is in the, you know, adjacent to the heart, where the physical heart is there.
Tell,
But according to me,
exactly.
or whatever I have understood, it is in the
Uh,
kutastha. The
um,
soul is in the kutastha. So can you uh, give me some uh, clarity on that, so that I can really support him also, and also I will be, so some way you can write them. I'm sure they must be having some better answer for all of us.
no, definitely, I'll ask. But only thing is, I have to think. But you are already a member of Yoga Satsang, no?
Yeah, even I will do also, because I am into this, but I don't know exactly whom to ask. So that is something, because I don't know specifically anybody.
No,
I will have to
you
write
just
to president
no,
then.
no, you just please write to president. There is no problem as far as this aspect is concerned.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
I
write.
think
You can put your in the
I will do it, sir. I will do it.
uh,
I
because
think
then
I
your
will do
words
it
also
tonight
will be.
itself.
Okay, okay. That's the best.
Yes, sir. I will do it tonight. I will keep you updated, sir, with this whatever feedback I'm getting.
Welcome, welcome.
Thanks, sir. What else? So I think our time is up. Acha, Harvinder, I'm getting your chat. Your audio has started 10 minutes ago. So congratulations. I could not hear the whole season. Don't worry, Harvinder. I will be sending the audio. Huh? So thank you. All the best. And have a lovely days ahead. Best
Thank
wishes.
you. Thank.
Thank you so much, sir, for always being on time.